Good evening to all of you. This is Ranjan from Smart Finance Chennai. So this particular video, I will be explaining how to use this Nifty top and bottom calculations in your trade practice. So I will request all of you to view this video till the end. I will also show you the literature where you can able to learn this method. You can able to calculate of your own. If you do not have our software, you can able to calculate these levels of your own. If you have the software, then just visit our Nifty top and bottom calculation. So here two options you will get: previous month and trailing month. And here I am going with the previous month. So clicking here. So what it does, it calculates the top and bottom. So top and bottom is a very good indicator for you to trade. So if you are a trader, these are the spot level again, Nifty spot level. So if you can say that Nifty has made in this month 18,880 level, if I am not wrong. So last month it has made 18,860 and low was 17,960. So this is being calculated. It is taking a reference as a VIX, highest VIX and lowest VIX of the last month, and using the Fibonacci ratio and calculating this level. So how you will calculate, I will show you the video. That video is already there in my YouTube. So you can see that Nifty has made a high and this top is being already created. So always I used to say that at 2 to 2.618, these levels are very critical. From here, the top will have a reversal. So here, after making these things, now Nifty is coming around here, 18,348. This is again, I am telling it is Nifty spot level. So today, if you can see here, it has gone till 18,389 level, and from there it has moved up. Now, question comes whether this downtrend is going to continue or there will be a reversal. So here you can say as long as it is holding this 18,348, so there is a possibility of reversal. If this 348 is broken, then there is a gray zone, 18,348 to 18,241. This is a non-trading zone as per the VIX and Fibonacci principle. However, if this 18,241 is broken, it can create the lower bottoms, which will be 18,163, 18,085. And again, I can say that there is 2 to 2.618. This is the level. You can say this is the price level where you can get the reversals, 17,500 to 17,776. So this level you can get a reversal. So these are the spot level. So this part we have done it. However, what happens, we are moving this every day, new data is being created. So if you want to know that trailing 1 month from 15th of December to 15th of November, you can see here 18,887, it has happened sometime. Then 18,133 also happened sometime. So here you can see that 16% of VIX happened, 11% VIX happened. So based on this, if you can see, our this top 18,888, which is based on the trailing month data 18,890. So this is the very critical reversal zone. So here it has retraced from here, 18,500 also broken today. You have seen that today on 15th of December it was finding out a great support at 18,512. So once it has broken, it has come down. So though we have not met the first bottom, but this is a critical price you need to watch out, 18,326. If this breaks, then you can find out the lower bottoms, and these bottoms again can take you till 2 to 2.618. So this is the place it can take you, and to this point you can have a bottom also. So these are the things we are constantly updating. These are very good tools and we are updating in our newly constructed YouTube channel. YouTube channel as well as our Telegram channel. So in our Telegram channel, we have constituted a group. You can see here the group URL, video description also. I'll give you this group URL. You can join it, Telegram channel. So every morning, I'm just giving you these levels where it should stop. You can see here, I'm giving that natural gas based on the Gann angle method. So Nifty analysis based on the Gann square of 9 principle, which of the stocks are going to have a trend reversal date tomorrow. So all these useful things we are giving in this. And natural gas also we have given. You can say that we have projected 541 level, it has come. Now again I told here, so we are expecting for 6,447 level in this crude oil, so it is at 6,423 now. So these levels are very valid. So question comes here, if you treat it as a call service, or if somebody is giving you a call, somebody can handhold you, then this is not going to benefit you in any way. So here our approach is you must learn these methods. So learning these methods will make you independent and make you equipped with a lot of new skills. So here, if you can visit my YouTube channel, so if you are going to our website smartfinancelink.com, so here our YouTube channel will be reflecting here. If you go to here, lot of literatures we have given here based on this VIX. If I can say how I can calculate the top and bottoms using the VIX. So you can see, so lot of videos you can prop up here. So top and bottom using VIX. So if you just search it here, you will get lot of videos. Nifty top and bottom estimate using VIX. 2 years before I have given it. So some are 2 to 3 years before I have given it. This is also 1 year before we have given it. These top and bottoms is very, very essential for you. Suppose if you are a buyer in Nifty, you'll be finding out, okay, it has 18,890. Enough from here, there will be a reversal I will be getting. So here from 2 to 2.618 level, I will be getting the reversal. So this is the time that I must come out and be a seller in the market. So these processes is going to help you in a great way. It's the monthly top and bottom to decide your trade. You can decide a formulated trade based on this. So these concepts are mathematical concepts. It is well documented. You'll be knowing that how I can do these calculations and other things. Everything transparently I have explained it here. So if you start learning this and start using this concept on your trade practice, your trade is going to be wonderful. It is going to give you great rewards. So here, if you are a member of this group, you will be getting this literature. I will be giving a lot of literature here how to do these calculations. So you don't require a sophisticated software if you are not that tech savvy. At least you can able to do the calculations with the pen and paper. So once you do these things in pen and paper, you can get these informations, and these are very much possible, highly possible. With the help of pen and paper, you can able to do these calculations, and you can able to gain good money in this market. So this is the essence of this particular video. So we are also in the new year. We have lot of products here. We have the products to teach you on WD Gann concept. We have products for futures and options. We have various softwares defined based on this concept, as I have shown you here. This is the software. So here, based on this, I have given the commodity levels today. Today, using this particular commodity tool, I have given it and in the group, and it has successfully worked. So we are expecting crude oil to be for 6,447, as I am recording this video on 15th of December at 446, and you can see that for 16,424. So these levels you can calculate if you learn these methods. If you do not have that skill to learn and do some mathematics and do the calculation, then you need not have. Then you have to depend upon these softwares. So we have introduced a great discount offer for this new year, and you can get all our softwares at a great discount if you want any of these courses to learn. And courses are not coming simply, it is a audio visual lecture. Courses comes with Excel sheets, courses comes with the audio visual lectures, courses are clearly modularized, what are the formulas you are using, how you are going to do the calculations. Each and every module is being designed in such a way that you can step by step learn and master these techniques. And it is not that costly. It is, you are just spending 3,500 to learn a 40 hours of course, which is going to guide you towards your trade achievements. So if you are having basic knowledge on mathematics, I will suggest you take a course, learn it, equip yourself. Don't depend upon someone's call. Don't depend upon someone's advice. Do yourself. And if you are using the software, you must know that what concept the software is using. So here the Gann angle and volatility you have learned, and you have utilized the software. So you know that what calculation in background the software is doing. So you will be a informed trader. Informed trader. So that is very important. Nowadays, to be an informed trader is very, very critical and very, very important. So if you become an informed trader, if you know the concept, if you know the calculations, then nothing will become a hindrance for you. You will definitely get the trade success. So here I have just given you how you can utilize this in Nifty top and bottom for your trade success. Keep following it, and whenever if you find time, visit this my channel, YouTube channel. You will find the link in our website, top and bottom using Wix. You just put it here. You will get plenty of videos I have given, so you can able to calculate and use this concept in your trading. So keep using this concept and give your feedback. And these are mathematical, but once you master it, market will accept your prediction or forecast. So thank you very much. Thank you for your time.